Hello, hope you're doing well. You're welcome to Study Zone International. Today we're going to look at the concept of statistics. We'll start by defining some basic terms in statistics and gradually build up to the more complex issues. Remember, the rule is don't panic. It's very simple and easy to understand. These are the terms we are going to define today. What is statistics? What is data? And what are the classifications of data? Basically, when we say statistics, it is the systematic and the scientific method of collecting, organizing, grouping, summarizing, presenting, and analyzing data, as well as making decisions and references based on the data that has been analyzed. So in statistics, you don't just collect and organize and present data, you also make analysis, and based on your analysis you also make decisions. That is all what statistics is about. Now the second term is data. As a matter of fact, you cannot do statistics without defining what data is. So now what is data? Basically, data is the raw facts and figures that has been collected from various sources. The sources can be from schools, from hospitals, from churches, you can name them. Remember, raw facts and figures collected from various sources. Now, what are the classifications of data? There are two main classifications of data. We have one, discrete data, and the second classification is continuous data. Discrete data. When we say discrete data basically is data that can be counted but does not include decimals. Data that can be counted but does not include decimals. So for instance, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is discrete data. We are saying it can be counted but does not include decimals. So 5.6 cannot be a discrete data. Alright? Now the next type of data, before we go to the next classification, some examples of discrete data can be number of staff in a bank, the number of students in a class, number of citizens in a country. Alright? That is discrete data. As a matter of fact, you cannot say we have 5.6 students in a class. Automatically, that would be wrong. So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going without decimals. Now the opposite or the sharp contrast of discrete data is continuous data. Continuous data. With continuous data, it is data that arises as a result of measurement and can assume any value. Continuous data. Data that arises as a result of measurement and assumes any value. For example, the height of me, Wilfred, the height of the number of students in a class. It can be 5.6, it can be 3, it can be 2, it can be 7.5. So that includes what? Decimals. Alright. Typical example of continuous data can be the height of individuals, the volume of water consumed by people of Medina.